Hello, and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today I am going to be reviewing for you a wig from the Janet Collection, and here she is, Avery. Now, Avery is 100% virgin human hair. I have been doing a lot of longer wigs, so this is for all of you who want to see a shorter wig this time. This one is for you. So stay tuned. The specifications for Avery. I noticed that we do not have any additional combs at all in this wig. We only have the adjustable band, which is located at the nape of the wig. So be mindful of that. You would just have to adjust it accordingly. The color of this particular wig, and I'm going to bring it up close so that you can see it. Again, this is 100% virgin human hair, and the color I'm wearing, I have to read it off the stock card because there's so many numbers and letters, is DYF4 3330. But that's a gorgeous color. Pretty. So we're going to try her on and style her, and we'll see what she looks like. So I am taking the adjustable band. I took it loose. There are little slits, as you all know, in the back. And then we're going to choose which one we want to put that little clip in. So hopefully you were able to see how to use the adjustable band. The bonnet is off. Don't want to get in any trouble with anybody about the bonnet. So I am back wearing Avery, and as you can tell, I added a clip just to give it a little more youthfulness for me. I'm going to come up close so that you can see the color for this particular wig. It is human 100% virgin human hair, so you can curl it. It can hold up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. This particular wig, as I mentioned during the specification portion of the video, it does not have additional combs, so you only have the adjustable band, and you would have to fit it accordingly. Also with this particular wig, it is very lightweight. Not heavy at all. It is very secure, and it is big head friendly. Let me do a 360 so that you can see all sides of this wig. There you have it. All of the information regarding where I purchased it, the price, all of the different colors that this particular wig comes in will be below in the description box. I want to thank you all for watching again, and we'll have another video next week, Monday. So hopefully you'll join me then. Take care, everybody.